Hey guys, we're back. Obviously I'm dressed. I'll do like an outfit breakdown later because I'm in the car currently. We're at Chick-fil-A. We're grabbing just a little bit of lunch and headed to Hollwood Studios. I've got my Chewbacca bound on. You can chop these little ears on Holly Lolly Co. I'm really hoping that we can spot Chewy and I can actually get a picture of my ears with Chewy because that would be so cute. But yeah, it is literally 2 o'clock. And we think that we're just gonna go to the park and we are gonna go until the end. We're gonna make it till the end. Mainly because I think we wanna try and hop in the line for Rise of the Resistance at the very end of the night. Because that's typically, like all day, if you don't have a lightning lane, that's typically when the wait is the least because everyone has done it either super early in the morning at rope drop or use their lightning lane. So we'll see if we can manage that. Hopefully the wait is not too crazy and we can do that because that would be super awesome. But yeah, I'll see you at Hollwood Studios. And I like your Darth Vader shirt. She's dressed as Darth Vader.
Oh, is it your birthday?
Happy birthday! That's so exciting. How old are you gonna be? 4!
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
It's a big number.
Yeah, next year is 5. That's a half of a decade.
What? Wow.
Yes, so we're in Toy Story Land and we're just waiting on Mel and the kiddos to get over here, and then we're gonna go ride Alien Swirling Saucers before our lightning lane for Slinky. It's so pretty here, I love it. And also it's kind of breezy and we're in the shade right now and it's so nice. So let's go ride Alien Swirling Saucers.
ready for a relaxing ride around the park? Hi, folks. Hello there. How do you do? Hey, Mick and Liam. Sure, you can go there, Mark. Gosh, bear with me. What could possibly go wrong?
Oh my gosh, it's a lot later now. We are in Galaxy's Edge. We're eating at Docking Bay 7 right now. We have this gorgeous little fried chicken tip-yip with macaroni and some broccoli, and then the Taco-Dana quencher. Taco-Dana. I need to figure out what that means in Star Wars, like, because I don't know. She good. So we're gonna eat, maybe try and get in line for Rise of the Resistance here in a little bit. Definitely take some more pictures because we have been not on the content game as much today. So we're gonna go do that, and then yeah, but first we're gonna eat. Okay, wow, this lighting is not great. We are just finished eating. We went and took some pictures. We got some really freaking cute pictures, so I'm very excited about it. Can't wait to get those home, edited, posted, all that fun stuff. But now we are in line for Rise of the Resistance, so it's 65-minute wait. What time is it now? I want to time it. It's 8:15, 8:14. So you're good.
1 minute.
I always like round. It matters. That could be the difference between 64 and 65 minutes. So it's 8:14. So we'll check in with you when we're about to ride, so that you can see how accurate wait times are here at night. Because we have a feeling they might be slightly inflated to defer people from coming and riding it last thing, so they can kind of move people out of the parks as quickly as possible. So we shall see. Hello friends, we just got off of, sorry, that's okay, I wasn't prepared for you to say something.
Well, you put it on the camera on me too. I was like,
Well, I just feel like people need to know that she's here. If I don't have any footage of you, it's kind of lame.
It's like, I actually have friends.
I do have a friend. So we just got off Rise of the Resistance, and I got really hyped because I didn't get it on camera. But if you know Rise of the Resistance, there's a section where the Kylo Ren animatronic, not the one that's like up away from you on the bridge of the Star Destroyer, the one that's like close up to you, he like controls you with his Jedi Force, or sorry, Sith Force, not a Jedi. And then like he like a blast goes and like a thing falls down and he basically gets like sucked out of the ship is what I think happens. But I think that animatronic wasn't working. This is not focused. Can you please focus on my face? Press the button.
It was okay.
Hello. Hello. Okay. So I think the animatronic was broken, so instead they faced us toward this like big side screen, and he was like outside of the ship in his shuttle, like fighting you, shooting at you, whatever, and talking to you, which I thought was such a cool way to kind of have like a backup plan if that's not working. And it was really fun for me because I saw something that I'd never seen before, even though I've ridden this ride quite a few times now, so that was really cool. We are headed down Sunset Boulevard, gonna go back to the car, maybe eat some leftovers, some wine, and we might put on Revenge of the Sith on tonight, which you know I'm always game for, so yeah. Look how pretty.
I think it is probably the best.
Hi friends, I'm just gonna steal her camera for a second.
Oh, this
Tell
is
you
me
guys.
saying bye to Hollwood Studios.
Oh.
What you gotta say?
I was just gonna say, this is for my vlog.
That's fine,
Okay.
I figured.
We just finished riding, what is it, Rise of the Resistance.
Yep.
I screamed my head off because Holly was talking to me and I didn't know that there was a drop. Well, I knew, but I forgot. And so what I do, I scream like a baby.
It was so funny. She like,
And I hold on.
I'm like talking to her while we're like getting into the thing that drops you, and like she's totally invested in what I'm saying.
I was
And then
I was-
as soon as we both like look up from like finishing whatever that was,
It was a
literally
drop.
it drops, and she like death grips the seat in front of her, and she's like, ah! Like I'll never forget that noise.
You're
we
welcome.
need to go that way.
Oh,
Hello.
Stop laughing like that, you psycho!
Y'all.
Psychotic.
I'm so tired that like I'm in that like loopy stage where you're just like, you know,
God, stop.
we're watching Friends. We tried to watch A New Hope, but the internet was being jank as heck and
Also, our
really
attention span
rude.
was being jank as heck.
Yeah, also our attention span. Because like Star Wars, you really gotta like watch, or else you're not gonna know what's happening. Because like some of it's a little complicated.
That's why I keep myself.
Yeah, Zoe asked a lot of questions, which is fine.
Damn, bitch.
No.
Yeah, Zoe asks a lot of questions.
She has a lot of
Shut the
questions.
fuck up to the
No.
rest of the room.
I love the questions because it gives me the opportunity to talk about Star Wars. Most of the time when I try and talk about Star Wars, nobody want to hear it. So if anybody is willing to listen, I am willing to talk.
I'm dead.
Anyways, I ate some leftovers that we had. I've eaten like 3 packs of Little Bites because I have no self-control.
You're sleeping next to them.
Sleeping next to them. I'm just gonna like...
Your comfort.
Good night. I also had 1 glass of wine,
And that's enough for her.
and that's enough combined with the loopiness of being tired to be enough for me to be in this weird freaking mood. Anyways, so hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Tomorrow we're going to Animal Kingdom and either Magic Kingdom or possibly Hollwood Studios. Just depends on the vibe. Also kind of depends on what's happening. Lightning.
You just had a stroke.
Lightning lane wise, but we'll figure that out in the morning. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and also hit that subscribe button down below to come hang out with me on the channel. You already know I do Disney and other lifestyle content, so if that's your jam, come hang out with me. My Instagrams will be down there below as long as my wait, what was I gonna say?
What?
My Instagrams will be down below as well as my Etsy shop. So if you liked my Chewbacca ears that I wore today, you can go buy them on the shop. Okay, I'm done plugging my own stuff. I hope you guys have a great day or night or whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.